Point it down, please.
That one was interesting. I feel like some air got around.
Yeah. Yeah, presented this to me today at the drone meetup. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but it's my logo. But in the background there, see that it's an overlay of the flag. It's all black. You can kind of see the stripes and the stars, I think, a little bit. I wanted to show you guys this. Y'all hand painted